Sierra Air Conditioning and Plumbing, the sponsors of this segment, have been serving the Las Vegas community for nearly 4 decades. Here with more on home care and some incredible giveaways is Briana Mercado. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, JC. Thank you so much for having us.
4 decades.
Yes, nearly 4.
Nearly
We're
4 decades.
there.
That's amazing. What makes you guys so unique?
Honestly, I think it's our story. It was the 2 dads, and they just had a dream, and they made those dreams come to life. And now the sons run it, and now Sierra Air Inc. is their own partner, and Sierra LLC is a whole nother thing as well.
I love the growth. I love hearing this story. Okay, we're going into the fall season. What kind of maintenance or services should we be doing on our AC and heating units?
Yeah, you should get the SAM plan. It's $16 a month. You get a cooling, a heating, a plumbing, and an emergency trip, all for $16.
That's it, $16 a month.
$16 a month.
So something
less than
happens
Netflix.
to my AC. Yeah, it's less than Netflix, and AC is more important than Netflix.
Right.
If my AC goes out, I can call you guys, and that puts me to the top of the list there.
Yep, priority.
Wow. Okay, here's some great stuff. You guys are always giving back to Las Vegas. Let's talk about the giveaways you have going on right now.
Yes, so we're giving away a free AC unit. We're giving away a thermostat and 4 UNLV tickets.
How does one sign up for this stuff? Because I think everyone watching is like, oh my gosh, I can use a new AC unit.
Yes, you go to sierracoolslv.com/giveaway and enter right there. It takes about a minute.
There's no hitch or anything.
Nope, just if you're homeowner, only homeowner.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, why is it so important for you guys? Because I feel like you're always giving back to this community. Why is it so important for you guys to be doing that?
Vegas has always been good to us, so we want to be good to Vegas. And the biggest thing is there's Adams Place, there's Opportunity Village, there's so many of nonprofits that don't get the help that they need, so we just want to help.
Oh my gosh. Let's go back to the giveaways again one more time. So AC.
Yes, a free AC, a thermostat, Sierra Comfort Control, so it's a smart thermostat, and then 4 UNLV tickets, because UNLV is hooking it up.
Yeah, they're on fire. If your AC is making some noise outside, if it's rattling, should we be calling you?
Yes, 1000%. Your AC should not be making noise.
What are some of the services that we should be using from you guys or be looking at when it comes to our AC units?
Honestly, I think preventative maintenance is the most important, to check your maintenance, and then also your filters. You should be changing your filters like once a month. In Vegas, it's super dusty, and not many people know that.
And I think people ignore our filters too, because it's filters upstairs and filters downstairs, filters everywhere, right? Okay, the AC giveaway again?
Yes.
Anyone can sign up for this?
Anyone, as long as you're a homeowner.
I think that is
one per home.
Because I think everyone watching right now is at the point where they're just kind of waiting for that. You know it's coming. You
the
know,
Band-Aid, keep Band-Aid.
Exactly. I'll put a weight on it so it stops rattling. Oh, awesome. Well, thank you so much, Briana, for joining us. We appreciate
Thank you so
it.
much for having me.
And thank you to Sierra Air Conditioning and Plumbing for sponsoring this segment. For more information, give them a call at 702-380-7043 to enter that giveaway. Visit sierracoolslv.com/giveaway. Jillian?